I think the bike industry is extremely traditional in the way that it approaches certain products.
Every project we start off, we kind of think, how can we do this differently? We don't just go to the standard factory that churns this out.
When you approach a factory that just makes saddles with a saddle design, they'll look at it in the conventional sense. But if you go to a factory that makes other things, they have different machines, they have different manufacturing methods, so it opens a whole world of manufacturing.
Fabric started about 6 years ago. The objective of the business was to bring real innovation to cycling products. I like to make lots of changes, do lots of iterations. If I'm trying to change the width or the shape or something like that, it meant that the designers had to go back and redraw it, and it took a long time, and that was holding us back. Fusion 360 solved that immediately.
In Fusion 360, you can create this amazing amorphic shape right from the beginning.
We can just drag and pull things on screen within 10 minutes. We see something in 3D and then send it to the 3D printer. Sometimes we don't even bother with a sketch anymore because we can go in there and essentially sketch with the T-splines environment.
Fabric's always challenging the boundaries. It's always trying to think outside the box and do something different.
Technology is changing so rapidly that it enables us to iterate so much quicker than we did before.
Fusion 360 is our go-to because it's just above and beyond what we can achieve in the other software.